everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute braided rose clip. So this is what the look you get, super pretty. Just put that to one side. And you do need some of this braided rope trim, and when it comes to sealing it, I have found that the most effective way to do it is actually with my wood burning tool. You can see how clean that line is. So I've got my little piece of tempered glass here and my wood burning tool. So what I do with it is, this is a little trick. You've got a little clip or a couple of clips in this case. Use them to hold it in place so that none of it opens up anymore. You want to take a metal ruler like this, press it down really hard against your desk or glass cutting board, and then struggle with your wood cutting tool. Take it. You need it on a very hot setting, the hottest setting that you've got to burn through it. And you want to go, instead of cutting it across, you sort of need to press in small increments down. I will say this, it does smell terrible, because in this case, when it comes to the wood burning tool, you are literally burning the edge. So there we go, and it tends to stick a little bit on, and as you can see, that one is a little bit loose. So with that, I'm going to take it, and what I tend to do is, if you take your edge, you sort of tap it in so it melts. There you go, so you get a nice flat. You can do the same that side as well. There we go. If you want to clean your tip, I use these like steel wool scrub pads, and it gets all the gunk off the tip of the wood burning tool. Just turn that off and move my little board out of the way. So now we've got 40 centimeters of our braided bit for this. I also use these little pair of tweezers, nice pointed ones, for gluing this first bit, because we need to glue this round. I might do the other end. You want the end that's the skinniest, and let's see which side I want. Just going to roll it a little bit to see which side looks nicest. Yeah, I'm going to roll it this way so we get the like more red coloured. Okay, so I'm going to hold it with my tweezers here. Take your glue gun. You want a bit of glue here. And then you sort of twist it round, but you want it to stay within the braid, if that makes sense. There we go. So it's still within that braid width, because if you make it bigger, it sort of rises up and looks a bit odd. And you only want your glue along one edge or the other, not all the way across. And then just slowly wrap it. Do it bit a bit, because if you do too much, your glue will come out one side or the other, and you don't want that, because you'll have one or both sides look really messy, and we don't want that. So I do the glue one side so we can hide the glue side at the back of the rose shape if needed. So as you can see, a little bit of a time. And like I said, just make sure it stays the same width As you can see, I get glue stringies all over me when I do these. A little bit more. You can make these as big or as little as you want. I'll just find enough different ways to use the trim. And thought this was a cute way. And a quick way. Almost done, look. Last little bit. Like I said, do take your time so you don't get glue mess. And then our last little bit here. Okay. So there you go. Super, super pretty braided rose, as you can see. Then I've got this little piece of green glitter, and it's 4 centimeters by about 3 centimeters. So I just take that, we're going to fold it in half like this, and then fold them in half again, and you just cut like a leaf shape. So I do the curve at the top, and then like a little round shape there. Okay, same again. You can do these bigger or smaller again if you want to. You can make them a bit bigger if you want. You can make them a bit smaller. Work out what sizes sort of work for you. Okay, got our 2 little leaves. Just get the glue off that one. Don't want it to look messy. We're just going to glue these together at an angle. So a bit of glue here. I'm going to put mine like that. And I sort of cut along there, so we've got a nice base for the petals. Okay, so we're just going to put some glue here. And attach that to whichever side of the rose that you would like to. I tend to do it the side with the braid. There we go. And then we want a felt circle on the back. I'm going to go one size up. I tend to do the same colour, but you can do similar if you haven't got exactly the same. I'll tell you the measurements of these ones. These are just under 3 centimetre felt circles, and I tend to buy mine pre-made from like Amazon. I get like mixed sets of 1,000 for a few pound. I'll put some links in the description box below for you. So we're just going to attach that on the back there. Then I've got a pre-line clip. I'm going to take this felt circle. We want to cut 2 little centimetre slots, and then you take your clip and we thread that through, And I'm going to put a touch of glue there. Okay, and a touch of glue on this side. That will hold it in place. Now we glue the whole thing, including that centerpiece. And then take your clip, well, your rose, line up off out circles, and you just press those together. And there you go, super, super cute mini braided roses. Quick, simple. Like I said, it's just a matter of making sure you don't overdo it on the glue. Thanks for watching. Bye.